Testing, testing, testing. Hi there, guys. My name is Rohan Beve, and today we are going to be talking about how do escalators work. Today we're going to be talking about, well, how do escalators work? So, you've probably seen escalators before, right? In malls, metro stations, and subway stations and stuff like that, right? You just see them, and they're mostly there for convenience, okay? To get from one place to a higher place, okay? And instead of walking up there, okay, you can just stand there while the escalator just moves you up. But how do these moving stairs actually work? Well, in hindsight, this is mainly what it looks like. So let's first look at the individual steps. Each steps have a few grooves on top of it, and connected to each one of them are these wheels, okay? These wheels go to their designated tracks, and on the top part are connected strip chains, step chains, okay? And these step chains connect all the other stair pieces, okay, to other parts, right? Which basically allows them and makes them sure to keep them straight instead of bending like this or this. These tracks make sure the stairs are straight, okay? So when they descend, they go fully straight, and then they turn around inside, okay, and then move back out through the comb plate, which are the two flat spots. The comb plate is basically, it has these grooves in it. So you notice in these stairs, there are a few grooves on it. That's because the comb plate, okay, these grooves interlock with it, okay, and they allow it to fit in. This is to make sure that nothing gets stuck, okay? Now, as it moves, of course, there's the escalator motor, which is nearly found, not nearly, but mostly found on the top floor or top area of the escalator, okay, which is connected to a chain, which is connected to an axle, okay, and this axle is connected by a big gear, which pulls the step chains, okay. So then that big gear is connected by another gear, which is connected to the motor. So as it spins the entire thing, okay? Because that big gear moves the tract, okay? The tract that moves the step chains, which moves the steps themselves. And connected to it inside are another set of gears with another chain connected to another set of gears, which are connected to the handlebars, okay, that also move, okay, which are connected by this wheel. And we have to also make sure that the handlebar as well moves at the same speed as the escalator themselves, okay? So that's basically how an escalator works, all the parts of it, and how everything works. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video, and hope to see you next time.